Hey everybody, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video about Zyia clothing. So as you know, I've really been making a switch on this channel. I changed the name of it. So my channel was previously just called Quilter's Workshop, which is still the name of my small handmade business. So Quilter's Workshop still exists and I still plan on sharing a lot of crafting videos and home projects and things like that. But I wanted my channel to be so much more than that because I do so much more with my life. And one of the things that I've been really diving into in, COVID times is Zyia Active. So today I wanted to do a video comparing the Peak Zipper Joggers to the Everywhere Pants. And forgive me, I have my glasses off because the reflection of the ring light drives me crazy when I'm wearing my glasses. So just took them off. I was getting too frustrated with it, so I'm kind of blind right now talking. So I just wanted to compare them because I know that before I had either pair, and I ended up ordering them at the same time, so when I got them I was able to compare them right away. But before I had either pair, I had no idea what the difference was. And there's so many types of joggers on the Zyia website and they all have different names. It's really difficult to kind of grasp the actual difference in the fabrics from the two pairs. My eyes are really watering now. Oh my goodness. Okay, hopefully the lighting is worth it. Oh, this is why I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, so we're going to start off. I'm going to show them to you first because I find it, so when I'm doing my parties and I'm doing my live videos, I always like to hold them up first and then try them both on because I think that being able to see them side by side up close is really beneficial. And then I'll put them on after and I'll show you a couple of different ways that I would style them, things like that. So we're going to talk about the Everywhere Pants first. So the Everywhere Pants, they are just open-legged at the bottom, sort of like a cigarette pant, if you will, like a very fitted dress pant. So the Everywhere Pants are the only pants that Zyia has that are not considered joggers or leggings, if we're going to categorize leggings as pants, which I do. So the Everywhere Pant has an open end, so it doesn't have a jogger cuff or an elasticated bottom like the Peaks do, which I'll show you in a second. So they just have a regular hem. The fabric on these, as you can see, is very lightweight. They're very silky, and they're great also for pet hair. So a lot of people wear these for many different reasons. So first of all, for me as a dog owner, it's great to have a pair of dressy pants that I can wear to work. I can easily dress these up with little loafers or flats or little booties. You could wear them with heels if you want, sandals. You could wear them with running shoes. You could literally wear these with anything, which is why they're called the Everywhere Pant. So very lightweight. A couple of other things that I'll point out is the drawstring. It is functional, but it's a little bit narrower than some of our other drawstrings, and it's flat. So hopefully you can see it. It's just flat like that. And then all of our joggers, even our more casual joggers, they have the prettiest hardware on the ends. Now the waistband is also really gathered, if you can see that. So when you have them on, you can still see that little bit of a gathered look. And then across the back of these, there's a faux pocket. So in my personal opinion, that little pocket, it's such a small thing, but that little pocket seriously elevates these from a pair of, you're not sure if they're pants like dress pants, to really indicating that they're dress pants, because on most of the dress pants that I have, there is that little pocket on the bum. So I feel like when you can see that, if you're wearing a shorter jacket or a shorter blazer and you can see that little pocket, I feel like people will just automatically assume you're wearing really nice dress pants. Now, because of how lightweight the fabric is, they definitely hang like a beautiful dress pant. The beauty of it is that there's front pockets, nice generous pockets on both sides. So there's another pocket on this side as well. Functional drawstring, like I said, and they are so stretchy. So hopefully you can see that. I'll show you again when I have them on. But very, very stretchy, so comfortable, very breathable if you need dress pants for warmer weather. You could wear them all year, and because the fabric is so silky, and like I said, they're great for pet hair, and because of how comfortable they are, people wear these not only as dress pants, and of course you could dress these casually too, you could wear them day to day as well, but people love wearing these as an alternative to scrubs. So if you work in a like a dog grooming salon, if you work as a vet tech or anything like that, or if you just, you know, you're a nurse or like a dental hygienist, like if you're in any type of role where you normally wear scrubs as your pants, these are fantastic, very comfortable. They'll last you ages and ages. You can wash them so many times and they're still going to look fantastic, and they're so stretchy and breathable and lightweight. So I just feel like you can't go wrong with the Everywhere pants. So that being said, you can also obviously wear them many different ways. If you're a teacher, if you work in an office or a bank like I do, you can wear them casually with a jean jacket. They come in a couple of other colors. Obviously mine are in black, but the thing about the Everywhere pants is that they also come in a jogger form. So I don't have those ones, but essentially if you love the style of the Everywhere pant, but you want it to have that elasticated cuff at the bottom with the gold zipper, you can also get the Everywhere pant or the Everywhere zipper joggers. That being said, let's talk about the peak zipper joggers. So like I said, I don't have the Everywhere zipper joggers, I just have the Everywhere pants and the peak zippers. So I'm just going to set the other ones down. So the peak zipper joggers are similar, but also have many differences. And again, you can't really tell that when you're looking at the pictures on the website, so it's really helpful to have them side by side. The first major difference is the waistband. So the waistband on the peak joggers is flat. Remember how on the Everywhere pant and also on the Everywhere zipper jogger, the waistband is gathered. Okay, so you can see that this has maybe more of like an athletic waistband because it's flat and it has this double stitching right here that keeps the functional drawstring centered, which is great. So it's not like swishing all around up and down that waistband there. Now, additionally, the drawstrings on the peak zipper joggers are round, and then they have the beautiful gold hardware. They also have the pockets, but they have a little bit more of an athletic style of pocket because can you see how there's like a stitching outline right here? The fabric on these feels smooth on the top, but the fabric is much thicker. So they don't have that same light weight. Like these pants, when I'm just holding them up here, they're quite a bit heavier because the fabric is a lot thicker. Also, I apologize, I have no idea where I'm looking because I can't see. But the fabric is also still incredibly stretchy as well. So very comfortable, definitely more of an athletic fit. The backs of these ones is just plain. So there's no pocket, there's a little Zyia moon. Now the bottoms look like this. So there's the elasticated cuff with a really beautiful gold zipper at the bottom, and the zipper is functional. If you had any desire to zip it open, you can, it is functional. And I personally think, so these are obviously in the navy. The navy just pops with the gold, don't you think? I really love it. So these are the navy peak zipper joggers. So these ones do come in other colors as well, but the thing to note about the peak zipper joggers is that each of the colors is actually a different length as well. So if you're looking for a different inseam length, I can't think of them off the top of my head, but they're on the website. So the other colors are not all the same length as these ones. So if you're looking for a longer or a shorter look. That being said, the elasticated cuff, I'll show you when I have them on, it's very easy to pull it up higher on your leg. So if you're wanting more of a cropped pant or a little bit more of like a capri length, you can definitely achieve that look as well. So now I'm going to try each of them on for you. I might have to switch my camera orientation to vertical just to get my full self in there. I wanted to try to film it all horizontal because I know on YouTube it's a lot nicer to watch this way. But anyway, so I'm going to throw them on for you now just so you can see. All right, so hopefully you can see the fit of these. So these are the Everywhere pants. So as I said, they do have the pockets, they have a more gathered waistband, a little bit slimmer drawstrings there, pockets on both sides, very silky, very flexible. You can do all the things. They're nice and stretchy as well. If you put your hands in your pockets, nice and stretchy. They're a great length and just open at the bottom, like I was saying. So you could definitely throw these on with little loafers. I'm going to just throw on this blazer. This is one of my favorite blazers. It's from J. Crew, but they usually do put it on sale quite often, and it comes in loads of colors. And if anyone was wondering, the tops that I'm wearing is Zyia as well. So this is the swirl tank in the color ash, and then underneath of it I'm wearing the Luxe strappy bra. They're a great pair together. So anyway, if I was wearing this to work, and the bum, pants look like that. So if I was wearing this to work and maybe I had some jewelry on, maybe not necessarily this top, but I mean, it works. I feel like I could definitely get away with this with some nice, like more professional looking shoes. I could wear this with a jean jacket and a t-shirt if I wanted more of a casual look. So I just really love these. The next color that I would love to pick up are the olive ones. I feel like those would be really pretty, especially for fall. So these are the Everywhere pants, and now I'm going to show you the Peak Zipper Joggers. Okay, and these are the Peak Zipper Joggers in navy. So as you can see, flatter waistband. These probably come up a little bit higher, to be honest, if you're looking for a little bit more of a higher rise pant. The pockets, incredibly stretchy. Well, all the fabric is, but they have front pockets, like I said, functional drawstring with the little gold hardware. A very like fitted, classy look, but the fabric is nice and thick. This is what they look like from the side with the elasticated ankle. Hopefully you can see that okay with the gold zipper. So a really good length. Now, like I was saying, if you wanted these to be a little bit more of a cropped look, you can definitely pull them a little bit higher up your calf and just sort of distribute the fabric, and they're gonna hold on there because of the elastic. Like, that's not gonna slide down my leg. I personally like them to be just where they are, just because I feel like with a pair of little white tennis shoes, or I have little like white, they're not Vans, but sort of like a Vans knockoff. You could wear them with Toms. You could wear them with your Birkenstocks if that's your favorite look. Anything like that. Now, I still have the same top on, but I'm just gonna throw on this blue blazer. And again, I wouldn't necessarily wear this with this top. But anyway, this is just a little, it's a very inexpensive blazer. It's like a fake linen. You can probably get a similar one at H&M. This one's from Dynamite. I'm in Canada. I don't know if I said that at the beginning, but to be honest, you can probably find one at Target if you're American. But anyway, it would be really nice with a little white top with some necklaces and some earrings. But how pretty is the pale blue with the navy pants? And I just feel like if I wore these pants with like a t-shirt or a jean jacket or a little vest or something, I could make it look really casual. But if I just throw on a blazer or a blouse, like a nicer top or anything, I can definitely wear these to work and just feel like comfortable but dressed up at the same time, because they're so tailored and just because of the smoothness of the fabric. So these are very soft. They do feel a little bit slick, if you will, like they're not cottony is what I mean. So these are also going to be great for pet hair, but they're not as silky feeling as the Everywhere pants. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully that was a good comparison between the black Everywhere pants and the navy Peak Zipper Joggers. Always a mouthful with all the names. So if this is helpful, I'll do some more Zyia videos, again, just mixed in with all of the other content that I would like to put on my channel. I just want my channel to be a little bit a more true representation of me, myself, and not necessarily for my sewing business. So anyway, my social media links, I have 2 different Instagrams. They're listed down below, as well as all of my other details if you're trying to reach me for a sewing related question. But until then, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.